Hi there, students. A chimera. I know it's got an H, but the H is silent. Chimera. Okay, in mythology, a chimera is a fire-breathing monster. And it has the head of a lion, the body of a goat, and the tail of a snake. And also it's feminine. But that's what a chimera really is. Now, today we use this word, a chimera, to talk about a wild, unrealistic idea, something that's not possible to obtain, some dream that it would be great, but it's not obtainable. So Joe is a romantic. He's always after the chimera of perfect love. Okay, the idea of something that's impossible, that he's trying to get the impossible, the Holy Grail, or an air castle, if you like. This political party is always selling the chimera of social equality. And social equality is a great idea, but do you think it's actually realistically achievable? So you could say somebody is always chasing after chimeras, or he's chasing after the chimera of perpetual motion, an energy source that does not pollute in any way. Okay, so this chimera, it's a mythical creature, and we admit it doesn't exist, but it's some goal or aim, but that's wildly unrealistic. It's just not going to happen. It doesn't exist. I think for many years alchemists were chasing after the chimera of turning lead into gold. Well, maybe if you had a sun and you put your lead in the middle of the sun, maybe you'd make a little bit of gold, but I don't think it would be really very profitable. Maybe students are seeking the chimera of speaking perfect English so that they will be confused with a native speaker. And yes, maybe you can get your English really good, but perfect English, if you started after the age of about 7 or 8, it's a chimera, okay? It's something that's unobtainable. So be realistic, don't go chasing chimeras. Now, the next question is formality. I don't think you can use this in an informal conversation in the pub. People are going to look at you and say, what? For something that's semi-formal or something that's very formal, I think this is a really good word to use. In the pub, an unattainable dream, a pipe dream. Yeah, something like that. But if you're in a formal writing, it sounds like a really good word. So there you go, one more word for your vocabulary. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A chimera.